Kalispera and welcome back to Samos Virtual from the village of Koumeika. We came here today to make a tour in the olive oil factory of the Markou family, after which we also get a chance to taste the different kinds of oil they make over here. If you are planning to make this tour as well, please pay attention to the days and the times that these tours are being given. Today there are no other visitors than our group, so let's go inside and start the tour. After a short and informative video, our friendly hostess explains all the steps of the olive oil making process in more detail.
It's with the pit inside. So here we will speak about cold press. Separate the olive oil from the rest. The rest is still like a paste. The pit is like a paste. We filter it again with another procedure with papers, filters.
Now that we have learned more about how the olive oil is being made, it is time to start tasting the different kinds of oil the Markou family produces here.
Thank you. Parakallah, virgin olive oils. This is to celebrate premium, to celebrate the 50 years. Is made from Koumeika variety.
At the end of the tour, everybody gets a small bottle of their extra virgin olive oil, and of course you also have the chance to buy some of the special oils or soaps that they have in small shops. Tasting all these beautiful olive oils made us hungry, so we went down to Ormos Marathokambos to have some lunch before we head back to Pythagorio. Thank you for joining us here at Samos Virtual, and we will be back soon with a new video.